In this era of artificial intelligence, are you curious about how AI influences the code that you use? Whether you are an independent software consultant delivering top-notch projects, a manager overseeing a team of developers, or a programming language tutor helping students master their craft, the AI Detector Pro Code is your ultimate tool for pinpointing AI-generated code and taking your work to the next level. Now, this is the dashboard of the AI Detector Pro Code, whereby on the left, you'll be able to see reports and projects, whereby on the right, you'll be able to see this button of plans, and you'll also be able to see this new AI scan button. Now, how do you use? To get started is simple. You will simply begin by clicking this particular tool, and you can be able to see that this tool currently supports 5 programming languages, namely Java, C#, JavaScript, PHP, and Python. Now, to illustrate how this works, I have 2 sources of code, one that is human written and the other one is AI generated. So I'll begin with this one, then I'll just paste it here, then I will click on analyze. So you can be able to see that for this particular code that I have run, or rather I've analyzed, it shows that the probability of it being generated by AI is 2%. I will go to the other code. This code, then I will simply again just paste it here. They're in Java, so I'll just analyze it. And you can be able to see that the probability of AI being used in this particular tool is 98%. Now, it's important for us to analyze these results. To analyze these results, simply click on these particular sections. You can be able to see an overview here, whereby it gives us a percentage. Now, these various sections with various color mean different things. For the sections that are marked in red, it indicates that these sections are most likely generated by AI. For the sections that are marked in orange, it signals that the code might be AI generated but with less certainty. For the sections that are marked with black, it means that these sections are unlikely generated by the AI model. Why does this matter? Using AI Detector Pro Code will help you pinpointing where AI was used in your source files. While this tool does not rewrite or fix mistakes, it helps in identifying areas that might need attention during the quality assurance process. Now, to the value proposition of this tool is ideal for the independent software consultant. If you are an independent software consultant, this means that you can confidently use coding assistant while ensuring that the final submissions are clean, accurate, and ready for the client. Fewer revisions will mean that you'll have more time for new contracts and better reviews. Even if you're a small business owner, it means that you can be able to hire smaller agile teams, and you can be able to use AI coding assistants while maintaining accountability. By focusing on the AI generated section, you'll be able to streamline the QA cycle, fix potential bugs, and deliver better products. This product can also be used by the programming language tutor, as it will help them in just pinpointing specific areas whereby the students might have used AI. So, if you are ready to take control of your code, whether you are a solo developer managing a team or you are a programming language tutor, this AI Detector Pro Code is here to assist you to deliver better software and in a faster way. Click on the link below to learn more and get started today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and even comment for more tech insights.